आज दीदार फार्म पे यहाँ पे बीसी में लिबरल पार्टी फेडरल लिबरल पार्टी ने एक पिकनिक रखी है। जस्टिन ट्रूडो आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मेरे साथ मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं। आइए इनसे बात करते हैं। बताइए जी, आप बताना चाहेंगे कुछ? यहाँ पे आप आए हैं?
बस हम तो भाई की दावत पे आ गए। मुझे
भाई की दावत? हाँ जी जी। तो नाज़रीन, हम ये बताना चाह रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी भी आई हुई है यहाँ पे, और जौक दर जौक लोग आ रहे हैं। आइए हम आपको अंदर दिखाते हैं हाल क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, कि लोग जो हैं इतने ब्लिस्टरिंग समर में, सन निकला हुआ है, बड़ा अच्छा दिन है और यहाँ पे लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो आइए देखते हैं कि अंदर क्या हो रहा है वहाँ जहाँ पे पिकनिक हो रही है। देखते रहिए दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।
Thank you very much for your welcome here. Thank you for welcoming us onto traditional territories of the Coast Salish people.
When my parents came here, my mom used to wake us up around 5 in the morning. Like I said, you know this story well. Make the food, wake up, a 6-year-old and an 8-year-old to go berry picking. And I was there complaining about I didn't want to get up. But imagine what it felt like for her as a mom, having to wake up her children and spend basically over 12 hours berry picking almost every single day in the summertime. And I remember, and that only wasn't the difficult part. When my dad was working, my mom was working, that's not how we paid our groceries. My mom then would come back home after cooking dinner for the family, then to knit those sweaters. You remember those Thunderbird sweaters, very thick wool? That's how we bought our groceries. And all of you know this story very well. Why am I sharing this with you? Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the reasons why I got into politics, and why some of the members of parliament that I'm about to introduce of why we got into politics. It is because when you give families an opportunity, their children can grow up and have an impact on this world.
Thank you for coming. This is a great day today. We're going to have Trudeau host with Justin Trudeau today at this beautiful barbecue in Delta, hosted by all the MPs of south of the Fraser. So welcome to everyone.
Welcome everyone. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to watch Vancouver, Dil Apna Pakistan, Vancouver ki jaan, actually North America ki jaan.
North America की जान। Thank you very much. Thank you very much. यहाँ पे दीदार फार्म पे और पिकनिक पार्टी हो रही है, समर पिकनिक पार्टी है, और ये हम कवर करने आए हुए हैं। तो नाज़रीन, हम चाहते हैं कि आप हमारे साथ रहें और देखते रहें दिल अपना पाकिस्तान।
re ga re sa re sa tha 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 sa re ga re tha 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 sa sa
to build a stronger future for us all. And that's exactly what we're going to do. So I need to say thank you. I know in the last election, so many of you stepped up and came out and got involved and made sure that we set this country on a better path, on the right path. And that's exactly what we're going to continue to do. And we're going to do it with your help. We need to send that clear message that the politics of pettiness, of personal attacks, of negativity has no place in Canada. And at the same time, we'll demonstrate right around the world that politics and thoughtful and focused on bringing people together is the only way to build a better world. That's a message that's more important now than it ever has been. And the carriers of that message, as hard as I'm going to work, as hard as my team, as all of us are going to work for you, we can't do it without all of you. It's you, in the conversations you have, in the rolling up your sleeves, in getting out there, in knocking on doors, on spreading the message that being positive and thoughtful and respectful is the only way to get elected, is the only way to govern an extraordinary country like Canada properly. So thank you very much. Merci beaucoup tout le monde. And happy BC Day long weekend. Good to see you. Hey guys. Hey people.
नाज़रीन, दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ इंतखाब अहमद दारुल इंस्टीट्यूट में है। आज इन्होंने एक शो ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है, शो एंड शाइन, और उसमें मौलाना अनीस मेरे साथ हैं, मौलाना अवैस मेरे साथ हैं और मौलाना अनस मेरे साथ हैं। इन लोगों ने मिलके ये शो एंड शाइन किया है इसमें, ताकि यंग उम्मा को इसमें भी इन्वॉल्व किया जाए कि गाड़ियों की स्पोर्ट्स और गाड़ियों की मोटर बाइक की स्पोर्ट्स, और लाइफ इज़ नॉट ओनली रीडिंग 5 टाइम प्रेयर्स बट वी हैव टू इन्वॉल्व इन द कम्युनिटी एज वेल। तो हम इसमें बात करते हैं। आप हमारे साथ कुछ बताना चाहेंगे? आप ये ऑर्गेनाइज किया है?
So alhamdulillah, this is our fourth year now. We've been doing this in a row, and the whole purpose of this was to get the community to attend an event where, you know, we all love cars, we all love vehicles, but in a nice Islamic environment, we can enjoy halal food, we can enjoy the company of our fellow Muslim brothers and sisters, where we can have a nice time.
Oh, very good. So everybody should have nice time. आप बताइए अवैस साहब, आपका क्या ख्यालात हैं?
जी, I just wish to thank all of the people, the volunteers who have come and made this a successful event, and inshallah with your duas and support we will continue to make these kinds of events more and more in the future, particularly for the young people, for the young women.
बिल्कुल, यंग उम्मा की आवाज़ जो है दिल अपना पाकिस्तान में सुनाई जाएगी, और दिल अपना पाकिस्तान का ये तो नाम है, लेकिन यंग उम्मा की ये आवाज़ है, और पूरी दुनिया से जो मुस्लिम किड्स हैं उनकी आवाज़ बनेगी ये, और पीसी में रहने वाले सब लोग, और ख़ास तौर पे वैंकूवर सरे के एरिया में सब लोगों के लिए करेंगे। मौलाना अनस साहब से पूछते हैं, आप बताइए कि आप what you have planned and what you are doing here?
I actually came because Maulana Anis and Maulana Awais are friends of mine, so upon the invitation I came over here. This is a very exclusive event because we see that in our Islamic gatherings it's mostly for speech, or it's mostly for dance or halaqa or something like that. But there's no initiative to put just for for fun and for those things which they have personal likes and interests in. So I think this is a very good initiative, and may Allah make it a success, and for the years to come, inshallah, and make more people participate and contribute as well.
So नाज़रीन, आप ये देखें कि ये जो बताया गया कि पिछले 4 साल से हो रहा है, I came to know this year, so I thought I should cover it, and this as the Maulana Anas said, the Islam is not only for 5 times prayer. We have to get involved in the social life of Muslims and tell the communities we love sports, and as we did in the French World Cup, and the 7 Muslim footballers were the part of the French team. So the same way in motorsports and in water sports and everywhere, we will involve our community, and hopefully it will be a success. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, coming in short, and my own Facebook. आप उसमें लाइक करें, शेयर करें।
one that no one else. So when you take going for now? 224. Yeah.
नाज़रीन मैं यहाँ पे इसी इवेंट में शो एंड शाइन इवेंट में यहाँ पे हूँ तो मेरे साथ तारिक कुरैशी हैं और ये इंस्ट्रक्टर भी थे। आइए इनसे पूछते हैं मोटर बाइकिंग की सेफ्टी और मोटर बाइकिंग में जो ये लेसन देते हैं उसके बारे में इनसे पूछते हैं। क्या आप बताना चाहेंगे? वेलकम टू दिल अपना पाकिस्तान टीवी।
Welcome to Dil Apna Pakistan TV program.
Thank you. And you want to say something about about motorbike safety? What the kids should be when they learn driving, and always there are basics of safety. You want to tell them?
Yes.
Yes. Go ahead.
Motorbiking for somebody that has never ridden a motorcycle, I would advise them to go to either a driving school, or there are, like myself, there are many individuals out there that are licensed and certified motorcycle instructors. They're certified by ICBC to teach the motorcycle program. I myself, I used to teach motorcycle instructing with Valley Driving School for 3 seasons, and now I do private lessons. There are many schools in the Lower Mainland. The one in Surrey is called Pacific Riding School. As you can see, there's a number of motorbikes here. And just recently we started a local motorcycle group for Muslim riders, and that is basically to get the youth involved we'll use motorcycling as a tool to attract them away from the street life, away from the drugs, away from the gangs. Also, in this motorcycle club that we have, the Muslim Riders Club, we have a few Maulanas that are riders. Maulana Anis, we have Maulana Faz, we have Mufti Asim, who are also members. They have bikes and they ride with us.
Very good, very good. So I think I should be joining you guys soon.
Yes, you shall.
Thank you very much. Very good. This is another way, as I was mentioning in my, as I was mentioning before, that youth should, beside praying 5 times and dealing with the community in a good manner, there is a personal development as well, which is sports as well. So like motorbiking or football or any rugby, hockey, any game, so that it will keep their mind busy and they will not be going with the drugs and all that.
Exactly.
So thank you very much, Nazreen. This is a good effort. The Ummah is here, community is here, and they want to show and shine their vehicles again. So I'll keep you updated and keep you showing there what's happening. Thank you very much. Keep watching Dil Apna Pakistan. So kids, what's the special on this car you guys are showing? It's a show and shine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what is the special thing you are showing here?
I don't know what to tell you, man.
You don't want to tell?
I don't know what to tell.
Oh, okay. Okay.
That's all you need.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. You're showing its motor is clean. That's the best thing. Yeah, it's pretty clean. Okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah. This is your car?
Yes, man.
Okay, so show me what the speciality of your car is.
Start it up. Oh, this thing is 500 horsepower behemoth. That's what it is.
500 horsepower.
500 horsepower, 6.4 liter Hemi.
Oh, I
Can't
see.
go wrong with it.
Right. Have you improved something in
I
your...
haven't done anything on it. Gonna keep it stock.
Okay.
Value-wise, keep it stock. But the only thing I've done is just the exhaust, sports exhaust.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's all I've done, sports exhaust.
Okay, very good.
It sounds really nice, so yeah.
It sounds nice, yeah, this is a good thing, yeah.
Yeah, you should hear it.
Okay, this is very good. And this is your truck here?
Yeah, this is my BMW.
Okay, yeah. With the BMW, your truck has a specialty.
Yeah, it's a twin turbo. I got a
the
stage 2 upgrade.
the 4x4. This is your sedan, right?
Yeah, no, this is a 2-door.
2-door sedan. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
2-door coupe.
Yeah.
It's a high performance BMW.
Oh, very good.
It's a bi-turbo. Stage 2 tune.
Okay, very good. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, how about your car?
Well,
let's see.
The look says it all. It's a 1992 XJ6 Sofa
Yeah,
Jaguar.
yeah. I can show your dress up too.
Oh.
So you're keeping up. Okay. What's that?
Thank you. It's the 1992 XJ6 Jaguar Sovereign.
Okay.
It's the best you can get for that year.
Oh, I see.
This is an antique classic. You won't see this anywhere.
Oh, I see. It's 1992.
1992. The inside conditions.
All is the original condition.
Everything is original.
Yeah. It's not for sale though.
No, sir.
No,
it has tables, everything that you want.
Oh, it has table. Okay, okay. This is very good.
Not something you'll find in any new car.
Oh, that's very good.
Yeah.
No, this is very good.
Yeah. 4-liter inline 6.
Yeah.
A lot of power in the back wheels.
Very good. So guys, Nazreen, you can hear at the background motorbikes and cars are running, and the kids and people are enjoying here. So it's a good event people have created. It's Darul Quran Institute has created a show and shine, different models of cars and different stuff they are showing here. This is Intikhab Ahmed for a community roundup. Another little car is coming. Nazreen, okay, with me is another organizer or helping. So you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, my name is Tahir Sattar, and I'm working with Young Ummah BCMA most of the time, and with Darul Quran and other institutions as well, trying to do everything we can to keep the youth engaged within communities and different activities and all. Today we've got here a 4th annual show and shine Darul Quran Institute is holding, and it's got many different cars, many different bikes. It's something that I would wish all of our community members would participate in every year, and this way it'll help all of our youth to engage, and even parents, because this is not just a youth event, it's also a full family event with all kinds of different things going on. We have bouncy castle, we have burgers, fries, chicken, we have sweets, we have everything here. We have mainly for the ladies, and we have all different kinds of cars and bikes out here. So inshallah we'll see you guys here.
Yeah, Nazreen, by the time you'll see this video, the event will be over, but next time keep an eye on this event. It's an annual event, and this annual event is good for the community, for the young kids to participate. It's a good weekend getaway.
Yeah.
Keep watching Dil Apna Pakistan.
Yeah.
Keep watching. एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं सर मस्जिद में जो कि वो bullying पे है. Amda Malik, you want to tell about what is it all about that program?
Sure. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hamza, and I'm one of the volunteers with Young Ummah. And Young Ummah is a youth organization that's been around for the last 6 years at the Surrey Jamia Masjid primarily. And the aim of this organization is first and foremost to equip our youth with the tools they need as Muslims growing up in the society, on how they can navigate their environments, their schools, universities, and to provide a space in the masjid where they can talk about their religion, they can talk about other social issues that they deal with on a daily basis, right, in varying capacities. So one of the things we've been talking about recently is having a program on bullying and harassment, and that's a program we'll be having with a friend, Hamza Ahmed, brother Hamza, who's coming from Richmond. He'll be speaking tonight on this subject. And in the future, inshallah, we plan on revitalizing and refocusing on a variety of issues that often go. Yeah, so we look forward to seeing you every weekend on Saturdays, inshallah. This is for the youth primarily, age 12 and up. So if you're a parent who has children that you want to be engaged in your local mosque, or if you're a youth that's watching this video, then please come on down. This program is open to all. And the format and the details will be on the Facebook page. Just follow the
It's on Saturdays, every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
What time is it?
Currently it's at 7:30.
Okay.
But once Maghrib is earlier,
Yeah.
we're moving it after Maghrib in a few days.
Yeah, Nazreen, right now it's at 7:30. Then as winter comes, the winter months and days are shorter, they keep changing the time. So keep watching Dil Apna Pakistan.
आजाद है तेरे बोल ज़बां अब तक तेरी है तेरा सुतवा जिस्म है तेरा बोल के जा अब तक तेरी है बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल ज़बां अब तक
Hey guys! So, Liberty Chale is the first large-scale Urdu play happening in Surrey.
It's an opportunity for youth to interact
with language and foster creativity.
Liberty Chale is a play by our community's youth for the community.
It takes a look at many of the
Prevalent but hidden issues
that we choose to ignore on daily basis. This play brings together love,
friendship, hatred, comedy, bigamy, and lots of drama. Liberty Chale is passionate storytelling
with the sole purpose of getting you to
speak up.
So come and support
Local Youth Theatre! From our community to our community.
हमसे आप तक.
बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल ज़बां अब तक तेरी है
देखें,
पूरी उम्र तुम्हारी
तुम मेरी बात सुने, तुम दोनों ने मियाँ साहब के साथ ही वक्त गुजारना है जेल में।
भाई नहीं हो, भाई हो मान जाओ।
मैं बिल्कुल
तुम वज़ीर आज़म हो, मेरे आज से वज़ीर आज़म हुसैन तो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
अच्छा बात सुनो, वो हमारे लिए भी तीन से दुआ
वो सवाल ही नहीं होता मौलाना, आपने क्यों मारी?
गलत शाबाश मुबारक। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मुझसे हमारी दोस्ती हो गई है, मैं चाय पिलाऊंगा, मैं चाय पिलाऊंगा।